So since we could not go to Durgapur to celebrate Durga Puja in a community, we are praying to Goddess Durga at our home. As of now, we are dipping the diyas for the preparation for Shondi Pujo, which is lighting 108 diyas in the name of Goddess Durga. And then after that, we would prepare many yummy sweets. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So actually, on the eve of Durga Puja, Ashtami, we light 108 diyas on the name of Goddess Durga. So that's a very special occasion for us. So Papa has bought a lot of diyas from the shop. Of course, he wore a mask. So now I'm soaking these diyas into the water. So why am I doing this is these diyas are not properly burnt in the thing they use. So therefore there are many pores inside these diyas. So if there are pores, of course these diyas would soak the oil. So in order to make this proper, we are soaking this in water. Science is just simple. It will just cover up the pores and then it will not soak. I have another mug, so I'll just. So here I'm going to show you how to test these diyas that whether they are porous or not. So I have a glass of water. It's not a beaker, it's just a glass of water, and I have this diya. So when I put this into this glass of water, you can see that there are bubbles coming out. So this shows that this is porous. These bubbles are coming upwards and the diya has synced. So it has been 1 or 2 hours since we have put these diyas into the water. Now I'm arranging these diyas so that I can count them properly. Okay, now 100 diyas are all over. Now I need to put more 8 diyas to make it 108. Yay! Mission accomplished. So this is time for some, sweet time. This is
coconut
so this is coconut
and jaggery
and jaggery
cooked in low flame.
cooked in low flame.
Now we will make the laddus.
Now we make the laddus. Now time to make the sweets. It is all ready. Looks yummy, right? So it has been a day since I've dried this diyas. Now I'm counting these diyas and keeping it inside a basket. Now our Gopala would take bath and will wear a new dress. is Lord Jagannath. My grandparents, Lakshmi ji, Loknath Baba, and all the other gods are also over here. And that, and he is my mother's music teacher's teacher, Guruji's Guruji.
Vinayak.
Yeah, Vinayak Pattavardhan.
Vinayak Rao Pattavardhan.
Yeah, Vinayak Rao Pattavardhan. And now it is time to take the ladus, the coconut sweets, to the god's room so that we can serve them. Take it. And we have turned on the dark in my Bluetooth speaker, and there's another ad, frustrating ad.
Amaye, Chamunde, Mundamalini, Ayur Arogyam, Vijayam, Dehi, Devi, Namastute, Esha, Sachandanam, Pushpa Villa Patranjali, Om Shri Durgai Devai Namah. Om Srishti Sthiti Vinashano Shakti Bhute Sanatani Gunashraye Gunamoyi Narayani Namaste.
Frankly saying, this puja has really reminded me of Durgapur when me and my friends over there used to sit together and pray to Goddess Durga. Really gives me a sense of strength. भवानी देवी मम दस तव मम 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 रे स देवी दुर्गा भवानी जगत जननी महिषासुरमर्दिनी जगत जननी महिषा